everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I am Gigi Faison, and today, you guys, I will be sharing with you how to decorate a kitchen vignette by using a tray. And the tray has to be a portable tray, one in which you can just pick up and move from place to place. So this is the tray that I am going to be using, and I am going to create this tray for a Father's Day breakfast out on the porch or the deck or wherever. Sit back and just have a small snack or maybe breakfast. As you know, Father's Day is right around the corner, and we have some ideas. And I say we because this is part of a collaboration that is hosted by This and That with Denise Jordan. Now, Miss Denise has two channels, This and That with Denise Jordan and YouTube Talks. YouTube Talks come on Sunday nights at 7:45 Eastern Standard Time, and this is a platform in which she takes her precious time to help other creators craft their skill, to be able to be educated upon how you too can be a better creator on this platform. So I am so grateful for that. And on her main channel, which is This and That with Denise Jordan, you will find her showing anyone that's interested in learning more about household, whether it's how to plant a garden, how to clean your bathroom, how to make your bed, all kinds of things of that nature. So I am excited to be able to join in with her on this collaboration. I will leave her channel in my description box below, along with the playlist link of all of the other creators. So as I start my tray here, I am going to use this riser, and this is one of those acrylic risers that I picked up from Amazon. And I'm just going to show you how I am going to take this riser, add it here into the tray, and this is give height for my lantern that I'm using here. Now my thought in creating this is, if you wanted to go out or fix a tray for your dad, your husband, or uncle, or whomever, give him a good read. And what I'm going to do is place the book behind the lantern for support. On the as part of the collaboration, as I stated, the tray has to be portable, and it has to have summertime florals, and it had to have something with wording on it. So I am using this hand towel here, and it is the Anchor family is an anchor during rough waters. And you all know we have gone through, and we are still going through, some rough waters, but there soon may be a little sunshine on a cloudy day. So I'm going to add my hand towel here, and then I thought that as we'll do it for breakfast, I'll go ahead and have our cup semi-ready with our stirrer in it with this is the lemon flavor spoon with lemon and honey. So I'm going to go ahead and place my little lemon cups here that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. Aren't they gorgeous? I'm so happy that I was able to find these this year. So I'm just going to place these two cups here. We're going to have our coffee ready, so we're going to use the French press and take it to the outside. So I'm just going to place that here, like that there. So we have our coffee, we have our book, and if it's late in the evening, we have the lantern for light. And you know, sometimes we might want to drink coffee at night, or if it's in the morning, we have a morning drink as well. So we're going to add in our morning drinks. Might care for a little snack. So we're going to place some muffins here. Muffin and coffee works for me. if he may want a fruit, or if he's a fruit dad or a fruit husband, then we will place him some fruits right here. As well as our, you might want to add some cream, favorite creamer, or some honey, or something in the canisters of such here. So let me try to shift everything around just a bit. Actually, I think I want to bring it this way. So I think I am in line with what we needed to have on the tray. The tray is portable. I have some florals, and I have something with words on it. So you guys, I hope you have enjoyed my setup, and I hope I have given you an idea as to how you too can create a coffee or a Father's Day tray. Let me get this cup here too. So we'll do them like this here. Here we go. Okay, you guys, here is the reveal. As you see, my little beautiful navy blue and white bow that I have created on top, and I'm using a candle ring to put on the top for the floral portion, and the lantern on the light candle on the inside is for the ambiance, whether it's late in the afternoon or early morning. The ambiance is always brings extra beauty to whatever your setup is. You might want to include a good read, plenty of drink. So I have a few morning drink here. I have some coffee as well as some apple cider. And we have our cups for our coffee. We have our muffins. We have some fruit. We have our creamer and sugar containers, as well as a hand towel. So I think we have pretty much all that we need in order to have a little private setting for dad or uncle or grandpa or whomever you would like to celebrate on Father's Day. A special thanks to Miss Denise over at This and That with Denise Jordan. I am so glad that you had this open collaboration, and I'm so excited that I'm able to participate. For all of you that continue to support me, I appreciate you and I thank you so much. And if you were new here, I would love to have you a part of my family. Just click that red subscribe button, tap the notification bell twice, and you are a part of the family.